everybody. Alan Fish-Bite Rod Holders. I'll show you this boat we just got through with this morning. Belongs to Logan Watson. His dad Chris bought a bunch of stuff from us, set up a boat for him and stuff. But this belongs to Logan. He's gonna usually doing some catfishing and stuff. But anyway, we put 12 of our black rages with the High-Viz Green swirl. This particular boat didn't have no track system, but you can get underneath it with nuts and washers. So we just put a standard block on it with nuts and washers underneath, good and sturdy. We also put our rod rack on the back, got 6 across the back, and it's mounted on blocks. We just put nuts and washers on both sides. Got that in there. It's gonna be a great boat, good fishing boat, good looking boat. Congratulations. And local